Today, we'll be making a sweet mung bean soup dessert. All the ingredients and measurements will be down below. First, we'll need 400 grams of mung beans. We'll rinse it twice. Once drained, we'll place into a Ziploc bag and freeze overnight. Using this method of freezing, our beans will cook faster the next day. Now that we're ready to cook, add 1.5 liters of water into a large pot. We'll then add in our frozen mung beans. Cook over medium-high heat for 25 minutes. Then turn off the heat and we'll set this aside for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we'll see that our beans have softened completely. Now back over heat, we'll add an additional water and 2 sticks of brown slab sugar. For the classic taste and flavor, add in the Chinese herb Ruta, also known as stink grass. Bring to a boil, and there you have your delicious mung bean dessert soup. Enjoy!